Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a OBS tutorial on how to add a now playing section to your OBS recording or live stream. If you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. And then the next thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is just go ahead and press plus on the bar and then go over into the window capture and then just go ahead and press OK. And then from here, you'll just need to press on the platform or music platform that you're playing your music on, as I'm doing Spotify. Then I found for Spotify, all you really need to do is go to the transform menu and then go to an edit transform. This works for anyone, but the Spotify, the reason why I said specifically is if you take it down by 1300 pixels exactly from the top, then it'll just add this little playing section here at the bottom. And I'll just go ahead and drag that to the bottom of my screen, and then anybody can see what's the song on the bottom of the screen. And this can go the same for any music player. Just drag it to wherever the name and the or crop it to wherever the name and the play bar is, and then it'll kind of add like a music kind of playing like radio type effect. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below. Other than that, have a wonderful day. Thank you.